Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I created this soft glam, which is pretty quick and easy. So if you want to see, please keep watching. For this look I'm going to be using my Jaclyn Hill x Morphe palette, and I'm just using the shade Roxanne as my transition shade. Next I'm going into the shade Jax, and I'm just using this to darken up my outer V and also going right on top of the shade Roxanne. For my next shade I'm going to be using the shade Chip, and I'm just going to be using this to darken up the outer V even further. For my lid colour I'm going to be using the shade Queen, which is a gold shimmery shade, one of my favourite shadows. Now I'm just going to be using the black shadow to create this smoked out wing liner effect. Now I'm just going to be creating a wing using this liquid liner from Madeline. To prime my face I'm going to be using the Too Faced Hangover Primer, which is by far my favourite primer. Your makeup will not move anywhere all day. For foundation I'm going to be using the Giorgio Armani Luminous foundation, and I'm just going to be putting a couple drops of the iconic London Glow Drops just to make it a little bit glowy. Now to contour my face I'm going to be taking this LA Girl Pro concealer, and this is in the shade Mahogany. For highlight I'm going to be taking the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. This is in the shade Deep, and this is also one of my favourite concealers, guys. It literally just covers up everything and blends in so nicely. Now I'm just taking my beauty blender, this is the Real Techniques beauty blender, and I'm just blending that in, taking my time, being real patient, so it just, you know, comes out perfect. baking, I'm going to be taking the Mercier baking powder in the shade, I think this is just a standard shade, I don't even know what it's called, but this is actually my favourite baking powder. I can never go back. So I just used Mercier for my under eye, but for the rest of my face I'm going to be using the Topaz powder. I literally forgot the brand. Benai. Now I'm just powdering over my contour, and this is the Makeup Geek contour pan. I can't remember the shade, but I'll link it down below. Now I'm just going back in to finish my eyeshadow, taking that shade Roxanne and buffing that into my bottom lash line. So I forgot to contour my nose, so here it is. We're contouring with that same contour pan from Makeup Geek. Blush, I'm going to use this blush from MAC in the shade Raizin, the only blush I will ever use. And now I'm just powdering my face using the Mineralise skin finish from MAC in the shade Dark Deep. To set my makeup, I'm going to be using the Mario Badescu Rose Water Spray, and before my face is completely dry, I'm going to be highlighting with the MAC Mineralise skin finish in the shade Gold Deposit. I highlight before my face is dry. It just literally melts the highlight into the face, and I just love it. I cannot highlight my face dry. Now I'm just popping on my lashes. I got sent these lashes from a company called Eden Rose, which I'll link them in the description box below. And then I'm just going to be applying my lip look using the Chestnut lip liner from MAC. The lipstick's also from MAC, that's in the shade Taupe. And then just going to be topping off with the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline. So that's it guys, that is the finished look. If you like what you see, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.